A town has a population of 7,500. The mayor asked two different employees to conduct a survey to determine whether residents of the town are in favor of the construction of a new baseball stadium. So, Denise surveyed 150 randomly selected residents at a recent baseball game. Interesting, Denise. Weird choice. Tamira surveyed 150 randomly selected residents living in different sections of town. So just, actual random people. So the table below shows the results of the two surveys. So Denise's survey, the one done at a baseball game, out of everybody surveyed, out of the 150 surveyed, believe it or not, 125 people said, yes, we want a new baseball stadium. 20 people said no, and 5 people said, I don't care. Interesting. Tamira, however, when she interviewed random people all over town, 30 of them said, sure, I like a new baseball stadium. 105 said, no, I don't want one. And 15 of them said, I don't really care. So we know what's going to happen. Okay, Denise interviewed people at a baseball game. So, yeah, they're like, sure, I want a baseball stadium. And most of them said yes. Tamira interviewed random people from all over the place, and most of them said no. So, which statement identifies the more reliable survey and provides a valid conclusion based on that survey? Well, we know the answer already. We know it's Tamira, and we know it's Tamira because she actually selected random people instead of baseball people, So Denise's survey is more reliable. No. Denise's survey is more reliable. No. Tamira's survey is more reliable than Denise's survey, and approximately 1,500 residents of the town would likely be in favor of the construction of a new baseball stadium. Okay, so that number we have to factor in at some point, so that's going to be a lot of fun. Tamira's survey is more reliable than Denise's survey, and approximately 6,000 residents of the town would likely be opposed. So we need to find out how many people are in favor for C. So 30 out of 150 said we are in favor. And this is what C is trying to find out, how many people are in favor. 30 out of 150. Now, 30 out of 150 is 1/5. How do I know that? You divide the numerator and the denominator both by 30. So 1/5 of the people are all about this stadium. So 1/5 times 7,500, according to a calculator, is 1,500. So if we're to assume that these random 150 people, 1/5 of them said, yes, sure, we're all about it, then out of 7,500, we can assume that about 1,500 people in a town are all about it, and that's what C is. So we're going to answer C, and D, I'm sure if we did the math, it would not be right. It would be 105 out of 150. 105 out of 150 is probably about 60%. And that number is just way too big to be 60%. So not D, but C. C for Cal Ripken Jr. He's a baseball player. Like and subscribe.